Big applause for Anton, please.
Greetings, my name is Anton, and I am the cook. Well, less of a food variety, definitely none of that morally dubious stuff. I'm an organic chemist. What I do is I play around with everything that is natural or green. Except that I do it in the flasks. For example, I have 2 vials here with me. One contains fairly obviously looking natural plant stalks, and another one contains some white powder derived from crude oil. But I assure you, they taste absolutely the same. Why? Because both contain vanillin, a compound that makes vanilla delicious. So, if we have vanilla plants, why would we ever need to convert crude oil into vanillin? Well, for most of the compounds that power our lives, we could get them from nature in bulk, caffeine for example. But sometimes there's just not enough. Consider a premium anti-cancer drug Taxol. It is only found in a single endangered shrub in the United States. If we were to get it from that shrub, it would have went extinct decades before. So, chemists took up the challenge and voila! Taxol is now synthesized chemically from simpler compounds. The plant and the people are saved? Hell yeah! But nature is complex. It's been doing cool molecules for millions of years. How can we compete against that? Well, nature is not exactly working for us. It just does its own thing. And sometimes we exploit it and it works out. But sometimes when it doesn't work, what we do is we find creative ways to synthesize those natural molecules. That's what we call total synthesis. And then when you have enough of that product, what you can do, you can get a little bit more creative and modify the structure in a way that makes it beneficial for humans. And that's all fine and cool. But sometimes nature just doesn't have the answers. So what we do, we find new molecules that nature would have done in millions of years, and we do it only in a few short, but very stressful months. So chemistry, frankly, is beautiful. And I hope I gave a short insight. So the next time you see a chemist, think less about a mad scientist type, and think more about a sophisticated chef who makes our lives for the better. Thank you very much.